Welcome back to Steve O's Fishing. It's a Friday. We got bluebird skies, unfortunately. It is about 68 degrees out though, and very little wind, so it could be a tough day today, but you gotta go out and try it, or else you'll never learn how to fish in these conditions when it's actually nice out in Erie. So we're gonna try a couple new spots today, and we're gonna see if we can find any active bass. We're gonna throw our search bait. I'm gonna try one spot where there's some rocks, so I'm gonna throw a square bill, try to bounce off there, at least get a reaction strike. I don't know how active the bass are gonna be today. Or we're gonna throw some soft plastics. I got a lizard rigged up, and I also got a shaky head, so we're gonna try that out. Also, we've got a little Mickey D's in order to get a little bit of food in me before I fish for the rest of the afternoon. We'll pick you back up at the first spot.
What we're trying here is a little square bill. Looks like a sunfish. Looks like I have one little hollow. I caught a perch. Had one on. Where the bass are at, like they seem to be close to the shore based on where the boats are. A little perch. Okay, got a little perch here. That's all it's close. Let's see any bass activity here. I'm gonna head to a different spot. Alright. We're at the second spot here. Here, we're gonna throw this lizard. Green, little chartreuse tail accent. We can't find any bass out there. Of course, I like to start off the day with a bird's nest. That was a sunfish. To find one. Even if it's just a 12-incher. Okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna give a different lure a shot. tough trying to find these fish, especially when it's sunny out. Can't get one on a sunfish looking crankbait. Pretty weedy out there already. Really? Come on, Mon. All right. I don't have a good feeling about this area. So my gut is telling me, move on, Steve. And I will. All right. Well, let me try one more spot here. So this place I'm at right now, it's pretty weedy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna walk around, throw a lizard, see if I can catch any kind of bass looking for a meal midday. It's just tough. So it had to be damn sunny, 0 clouds, making it tough on me. But might be a bass or two out there. Never know until you try. That's what fishing's all about. Trying. Put these instances into your bank. Remember it. You never know. Might be a tournament on the line someday and conditions turn out to be this. Try to generate a bite or two. But pretty much what I would do here is bass are going to be looking to stay cool. Meander my way back to the car, try some casts, and that's that. That's a wrap. Oh, I don't know. There's bass in here. They don't want to play right now. They're in a funk. They are in a funk. It's okay. Okay. Huh? Got one. Right through his lip. Little guy. But we got one. Not skunked bass size. Saw him sitting there and threw the lizard past him. There we go. Okay. So we got one perch today and one bass. It's been a tough day. Say if it was a little warmer, cloud cover, I would have thrown frogs for sure. Since I don't have a frog rod yet. But I can always use my jig rod Maybe what I have to do. Frogs all over here jumping. Okay, well, I'm getting crushed by mosquitoes. And it's about time to go home anyways, so thanks for watching Steve O's Fishing. Like I thought at the beginning, it was gonna be a tough day, and bluebird skies, very little wind, and I was right. All I managed to do is catch a small bass and a small perch. See you next time.